Hi, if you're new here, I'm Amanda, aka FitFoodAE, and today we're gonna be making a recipe for my new cookbook, Lean Treats. Lean Treats just launched on June 25th. It has 50 of my best high protein, low calorie dessert recipes to help you reach your fitness goals without sacrificing dessert. So today we're gonna make a tiramisu recipe, which is actually one of the cookbook exclusive ones. So let's get started, shall we? So first thing we're gonna do is flip to the table of contents. Cakes and Cupcakes Tiramisu, page 42. And there we go. Full recipe with a picture, macros, ingredients, directions, etc. So the book laid out here, which is nice because we have like all my best dessert recipes at your fingertips, as opposed to having to flip through your phone while you're making the recipe. So the first thing we're gonna do is take our lady fingers. Lady fingers are like Italian cookies. My Italian people would know. So these lady fingers are the slightest bit big for the container I have. So I'm just gonna cut like the ends of them a little bit. Oop, just so they'll fit. And I have my food scale here, obviously. And we're gonna measure out about 60 milliliters of cold espresso / coffee. And yeah, basically you're gonna dunk the lady fingers into the coffee and then put them into the container. So the key is to lightly soak them. You don't wanna soak them too much, otherwise the tiramisu is gonna be like mushy. Just kind of place them like that. So now we have our lady fingers here. And then now we're gonna make the cream part. So we're actually gonna blend some ingredients together. So by the way, as I mentioned, this cookbook has 8 cookbook exclusive desserts, meaning they're not posted anywhere online. And the other 42 are just like my best dessert recipes that I've posted online. And they're all in one place. So we're gonna set this aside. And then we're gonna measure out the ingredients here. So first we're gonna measure out some non-fat Greek yogurt. By the way, guys, for all the recipes, the serving size are listed out. So for the tiramisu, the serving size is the entire cake because it only has 480 calories for the whole thing. Whereas for my like cookie, brownie recipes, whatever, it'll say the serving size on it. So now we're gonna measure out the ricotta. So this is light ricotta, so 25% less fat than normal. Oops. By the way, guys, this book makes a great gift. My birthday's actually coming up at the end of the week, but if you know anyone else that's like on a fitness journey and has a summer birthday, why not get them this cookbook? So we're gonna add the protein powder. I'm using PE Science Frosted Sugar Cookie. In the book it says vanilla. I don't have any of the French vanilla on me, so the Frosted Sugar Cookie, the Cake Pop, like pretty much any vanilla-y powder will do. By the way, I'm using PE Science, of course. All my recipes in the book use PE Science protein. So I'm gonna put 20 grams in here. It's a whey casein blend. So I haven't, like a lot of my recipes, people in the comments have tested with whey and it works, but I can't guarantee it for all my recipes. I would highly recommend getting your hands on PE Science. You can use my discount code FIT15. This is also mentioned in the book. Now we're gonna add some vanilla extract, just like 3 milliliters, super small amount. Pretty sure I only have 3 milliliters left, so that works. And then lastly, our monk fruit sweetener. So I have Swerve monk fruit sweetener. You could also use Lakanto. If you don't have monk fruit, you could use stevia or an equivalent. Yeah, I'm just gonna put 20 grams in here. Perfect. And now we're gonna blend it all up. By the way, guys, this book ships as a hardcover to Canada, US, and UK. But if hardcover is not your thing, no worries. You could also get an ebook, and the ebook is available worldwide. So I've now blended everything up. The outlet's over there, so I didn't want to like have to move the camera, whatever, you guys get it. This is kind of like the consistency that it should be. I use my crappy blender because my Zwilling one is dirty, but you can use a good quality blender. That would be the best, obviously, but looks great. So now what we're gonna do is actually pour half of the filling over this, then do 4 more lady fingers soak, and then put the other half of the filling. So you might have to add a little bit of extra coffee, which is fine. I mean, it's 0 calories, so So put half of it on. We've now layered half of it, and now we're gonna do the other half. It's a bit messy, I'm probably gonna clean it up. If you're like me and you've already gotten a stain in your cookbook, don't worry. So just chop the edges of these so they'll fit in here, and we're gonna soak them. Again, make sure not to soak them too much. Yeah, just like one little layer is fine. And then we're gonna pour the rest of the ricotta Greek yogurt mixture in on top. And just spread it up as you can. I definitely saved a bit more, maybe like 60% of it to go on top just because I wanted the top layer to be thick and presentable. Now it's all spread on top. Okay, so for this next part, if you have one of those like duster thingies, like that would probably be the best thing to do, but we're gonna sprinkle a bit of the cocoa powder on, just kind of like this. Again, this would probably be better if I had a tool to do it with, but that's totally fine. Just do it with your fingers. Make sure your fingers aren't wet when you're doing this. Also, I wrote 2 grams of unsweetened cocoa powder. To be honest, like I did not measure it. I feel like this might be less than 2 grams, to be honest. Perfect. She looks so good. I don't want to tilt it, but here we go. Put it in for a minimum of 4 hours. I'm probably gonna put it in for 6 hours just to give it time to like soak and thicken. The recipes that are not cookbook exclusive, so the ones posted on social media, they all have this QR code that links to the recipe video. So you could just scan it like this, and then it links to TikTok. This pint of chocolate-covered banana ninja creamy ice cream has... Okay, so our tiramisu is out of the fridge. It was in the fridge for about 6 hours at this point, maybe 7. Wow. Looks so good. Wow. This turned out better than the first time I made it. Holy. Wow, I crushed it this time. Literally so good. Insane. Look at these layers. Lean Treats is now on sale. You can buy it using the link in the description of this video. You can purchase a hardcover. It ships to Canada, US, UK, or you can buy an ebook. Thank you guys so much in advance. Love you all, and thank you for your continued support.